Workplace Health and Safety Team role. The Workplace Health and Safety Team is a role that comes pre-configured as part of the WHS module. This means that users within the system can be assigned to the WHS team group. As a result, any tasks assigned to the WHS team will appear in the My Tasks Active or My Tasks All view in the tasks list for that user. This allows the WHS team to easily have visibility of all their tasks, and anyone within the team can pick up the tasks as they come in. Adding a user to the Workplace Health and Safety team. To add a user to the WHS team, follow these steps. Navigate to the Users and Groups table by clicking System, Settings, then Users and Groups. Select the users you want to add to the WHS team, then click Add Principals to Group, then click Workplace Health and Safety Team. Removing a user from the Workplace Health and Safety team. To remove a user from the WHS team, follow these steps. Navigate to the Users and Groups table by clicking System, Settings, then Users and Groups. Select the Workplace Health and Safety Team group. Navigate to the Members tab. Select the users you want to remove from the Workplace Health and Safety team and then click Remove Principals from Group.